Samsung Galaxy J5 screen repair, teardown and reassemble.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your Samsung Galaxy J5 smartphone. Easily remove the Galaxy J5 rear cover. The only tool required is an opposable thumb. Take out the 2600 mAh Samsung Galaxy J5 battery. Remove the following 9 Phillips screws. Use the triangle opening tool to work around the Samsung phone and free the exterior midframe. With the tweezers in hand, eradicate the Galaxy J5 loudspeaker box from the midframe. Disconnect the cable for the headphone jack assembly, and then the display cable. Remove the following Phillips screw. With the cables out of the way, lift out the Galaxy J5 motherboard. Spudge up the 5-megapixel Samsung Galaxy J5 front-facing camera. Flip over the motherboard and remove the 13-megapixel Galaxy J5 rear-facing camera. Pluck out the spring contact connected earpiece speaker. Remove the Samsung Galaxy J5 vibrator. Begin to free the Galaxy J5 display assembly by using the multi-purpose heat gun to warm up the adhesive.
Use playing cards to attack the adhesive, securing the display assembly to the interior midframe. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you have sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the modular home button and bottom button LED cables and home button switch when decoupling the Galaxy J5 screen from the midframe. Extract the headphone jack assembly. It includes the home button switch, cables for the bottom buttons, and the Galaxy J5 headphone jack.